Yeah, with the guy in dance in the girl say, yeah, with the keys in dance. With the girl in girl, yeah, with the girl in dance. Eugy official.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie O. If you're new, I'd like for you to take a moment to go down below and hit that red subscribe button so you join the family and you have fun with us on this channel and you never miss any video I post. And if you're old, welcome back. Today's video is going to be me reviewing and sharing with you guys one of the most exciting makeup products of last year that I ordered. And I'm only just getting around to opening up the package now, and I know I'm late, guys. I am so excited about this video. This is the Artist Couture and Jackie Aina collaboration on the highlighters that she released late last year. So she released two highlighters. One is called La Bronze and one is called La Peach. They were released as singles and they were also released in a bundle. I believe this product launched on Christmas Day last year, but I pre-ordered it, I believe, on the 15th of December or so, and I was able to get my product shipped down to me in Nigeria after they were delivered in the US. I believe that Jackie had previously launched La Bronze earlier in the year and it sold out in a flash, guys. I couldn't get my hands on it, but when I heard that she was relaunching La Bronze with its little sister La Peach, I knew I had to get my hands on these products. If you guys don't know who Jackie Aina is, I'll insert a picture of her here. She's a YouTuber, she's also black, and she's like goals, guys. She's goals. I'm sure you guys can see that my eyeshadow is not fully done and I don't have any highlights on, so we're going to be playing with these highlighters and seeing how they work as eyeshadows and highlighters as well. So yeah, guys, if you want to see how I am able to, maneuver this collaboration and see what it's like, then keep on watching and let's get our hands dirty with highlights. So guys, basically this is the package USPS sent me the product in, and it comes with a card, guys. It comes with a card. This is what the card looks like, and basically the card reads, I created La Bronze because I wanted the perfect rose gold highlights for my complexion. She's a perfect mix of deep copper and rose gold blends. Now I introduce you to her little sister, La Peach, the perfect mix of champagne, peach, and rose gold tones suitable for all skin tones. Use them together for the perfect mix of both. I love you guys so much, and I hope you enjoy this collection as much as I do. XOXO Jackie Aina. Guys, this is so cute. So basically, I did buy the highlighters in the bundle. They came in a bundle of the two highlighters, and it came with a really cute makeup purse, which looks like this. I don't know if the camera is picking up the shade of this makeup purse correctly. I don't think it is. It says Artist Couture X Jackie Aina, and inside the purse are the two highlighters. And I did purchase the highlighters in a bundle, as I said before, and they cost $55, including the purse. I believe the purse alone cost $7, and the highlighters individually cost $28 each. So this is what the packaging looks like, and I think it's really cute and really sleek. It says Artist Couture X Jackie Aina on the packaging, and it's like a rose gold packaging. I really like it. I think it looks really cute and sleek, and it just has the shade of the highlight on the top of the box. I don't know which one to open first, guys. Let's open La Peach first, seeing as she's the newer baby. I just ripped the box, guys. Oh my gosh, this is a huge pot of highlight. So this is what the pot looks like. It's rose gold on top and it's just transparent at the side, like that. And it says the same Artist Couture X Jackie Aina on the top. At the back, it just has the Diamond Glow powder and the name of the shade of the highlight right there. I believe you get 4.5 grams and 0.16 fluid ounces of product in this pot, which is a lot. Oh my god, guys, it's really sealed off, like, so it doesn't get dirty or anything like that. And I'm just basically going to swatch La Peach for you guys. Nah, guys, this is so cute. This is La Peach swatched on my hand, and I'm seeing a lot of champagne in it, I can see a bit of rose gold in this highlight as well. I believe it's actually going to be dark girl friendly, even though they did mention that La Peach would be for lighter skin tones. But I think I can still make La Peach work for my skin tone. So, and now I'm going to go ahead and swatch La Bronze for you guys. Oh my gosh, guys, La Bronze is the perfect rose gold shade. I don't think the camera is picking up my swatches properly, but this is La Bronze right here. And this is La Peach right here. And you can see what both of them look like side by side. Wow, you guys, I'm so excited to try this out because I can see so much pigment. This is just one swatch, guys, and I can literally see so much pigment in this highlighter. Jackie has done it for us dark skin girls. So I brought you guys in closer so we can really get into this video and test out these highlighters on my eyes. And basically, I'm going to do La Bronze on one eye, I'm going to do La Peach on the other eye, and then I'm going to put the second highlight over top of it so we can see how they mix. I'm applying my NYX glitter primer to my eyelids now because these highlighters are a bit glittery, so I'm sure it would adhere better to my eyes with a glitter primer on. And I'm just going to place this in the center of my eyelid for the halo effect. Now I'm going to pick up La Peach and I'm just going to dust off the excess and apply that. You guys, this is a beautiful, beautiful shade. Wow. Can you guys see that? This is so beautiful. And if you guys can see that I have a bit of fallout on my face, I just believe that the fallout is due to the highlighter being a bit chunky, but I honestly don't mind fallout, to be honest, because I usually do my eyeshadow before my face makeup anyway. I only did my face makeup first to save time today. This is what it's looking like on my eyes, La Peach. And then I'm going to go in with a different shadow brush now, and I'm going to take some of that glitter primer as well and apply it to my other lid. And I'm going to take La Bronze and I'm just going to pack that on. Oh gosh, you guys, La Bronze has less fallout than La Peach is what I'm noticing. Definitely less fallout. But you guys, these shades are so pigmented. Like, can you see that on my eyes? I am in love. Can you guys see what these look like? I'm going to go in and apply some La Bronze on top of La Peach here. This a little goes a long way. I'm applying La Peach on top of La Bronze here and just packing that on. Now you guys, it's giving me such a beautiful golden color. It's giving me like beautiful shades of gold. So yeah guys, this is what La Bronze and La Peach look like on my eyes. I think these highlighters are really amazing. I absolutely love the shades. I'm going to go ahead and apply them to my face. I'm basically just applying a bit of La Peach to my nose. This pigment, I cannot believe. Like, I don't know how they went into the factory and brought this much pigment out in a highlighter. This is unbelievable, guys. First of all, I'm actually going to go and put on my eyelashes so that you guys can literally see what this eyeshadow looks like with eyelashes. I was going to put on lashes, but I believe this look deserves lashes. I'll be doing this look an injustice if I do not put on lashes. I'm starting to love this look a whole lot more than I already loved it before I put on my lashes. Like, I'm going ahead to apply La Peach to this side of my cheeks. I never thought I'd find a highlighter I love so much. Can you guys see this? Can you see that Le glow? I said a bit, guys. And now I'm applying it to my chin. I'm applying it to my forehead. I think I'm just going to apply it all over my body. Let's try La Bronze on the other side of the face. It is finished. I want you guys to tell me what side you prefer, La Bronze or La Peach. I don't know, you know, I'm a bit confused, honestly. I don't know what I prefer. I think I prefer La Peach, definitely, but guys, I'm confused. I don't know what to do. What has Jackie done? What has Jackie done? I'm going to be bathing in highlights. Listen, I'm shining, guys. Look, listen. I need whoever is the CEO of Artist Couture and Jackie Aina just to make a whole highlight palette. That's what I need. I need a whole highlight palette coming out. I need foundation. I need eyeshadow. I need lipsticks. Look, I need this to become a brand. Guys, stop me. I can't stop. I keep applying more highlights. I can't stop. This is official, guys. The Artist Couture Jackie Aina La Bronze and La Peach highlighters are endorsed by Debbie O. If you do not own these highlighters, please, please and please, I am begging you, rush over to the Artist Couture website now. Because if they become sold out, don't say I didn't plug you in. Do not say I did not plug you in. Don't say Debbie did not have your back. Because I've showed you guys the highlighters now, and if you're still sleeping on it, then don't even bother. My highlight can't sit with you, so don't bother. Anyway, guys, that is basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys liked seeing me use the Artist Couture and Jackie Aina highlighters. I really love these highlighters, even though they're really glittery. They can be really subtle if you blend them in properly. They do come out subtle if that's the look you're going for. And if you're going for the ultimate glow, you can't even go out in the sun because you're going to be shining. You're going to just be shining. I think they're reasonably priced as well, $28 for a huge pot that I don't think I'll even finish. And I think these last for about 36 months, which is a really long time. That's over 3 years, guys. So it's not going to expire anytime soon, and it's a lot. It's a lot that comes in the pot, so you can really utilize it if you're using them as eyeshadows, highlighters as well. You can even use them as lip toppers. Should I try it as a lip topper, guys? For anyone wondering, I'm wearing Fenty Beauty's Mademoiselle lipstick in Madame, and I'm actually going to try La Bronze as a lip topper now. I was fully going to end this video here, guys, but I cannot stop applying these highlights all over my body. I can't. Just look at La Bronze as a lip topper. So yeah, guys, if you have not purchased these highlighters, please go ahead to the Artist Couture website and purchase these highlighters before they get sold out, because for the quality of these highlighters, I think they're amazing. I think they're absolutely amazing, and I'm so proud of Jackie for being able to release highlighters as beautiful as this that are suitable for all skin tones. If you guys like this video, please go ahead and give it a huge thumbs up, and also comment down below. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Come on, what are you waiting for? Join the family. Let's be friends. Contact me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, all that good stuff. Yeah, guys, I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Darling, shake your body, girl, gyrate. Break your body like I, cause you get plenty boys who want party. We see, make your back, you won't fall down. Rate this party done, now me see plenty boys.